How to quickly delete emails in Yahoo Mail. If your Yahoo Mail inbox is full, here's how to quickly delete emails in bulk on your iPhone. Open your Yahoo Mail application. You have to be on the inbox interface. In here, you have to tap and hold an email until checkbox appears. Tap on Select Messages. Select multiple emails or tap Select All. Tap to the delete icon from down right corner of your screen. For next method, you have to tap search icon from top right corner of the screen. You can tap and select multiple emails. And then tap on delete from the down left corner. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly delete emails in Yahoo Mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.